Hey bro, let's plan to go somewhere. It's been ages since we went on a vacation and I am really bored here. Yeah bro, it's all over now, let's plan to go. Okay bro, let me call her and ask to join us.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I am good. We are planning a trip to hill station. Come join us. I think Uthi will be better. Array, what are you all talking about? COVID isn't over yet. Haven't you heard about the second wave?
Oh please, give me a break. Enough of this corona. I don't care anymore and we all are going.
Hey, as we have seen in the previous conversation that there are majorly two types of people in this world right now. The first category belongs to those people who know about the COVID-19 pandemic, its threat, and are acting accordingly to protect us from that pandemic. The second category belongs to those people who know about the threat of COVID-19 pandemic, but unfortunately, they still don't act. Instead, they are thinking that the pandemic is over and they are behaving as if they are in the pre-COVID era. And these kind of people are our biggest threat in the current times, since they are not only risking their own lives, but also risking lives of thousands or maybe millions of people in the world. This video is especially for them. First of all, I want to say that COVID-19 pandemic is not over at all. We have just passed the second most dangerous wave of this pandemic. But hey, as you just said that the second wave is past, so we can be easy right now, we can relax. Are you sure we can?
Actually, we have to take it seriously because majorly our carelessness has brought the second wave to be so deadly. And if we restore our February 2021 mentality, it will only and only bring out the third wave and possibly the most dangerous of all. The Delta variant of COVID-19, originally discovered in India, is now spreading around the whole world. This week, the Delta variant was reclassified as a variant of concern by the Center for Disease Prevention and Control based on mounting evidence that the variant spreads more easily and causes even more severe cases when compared to the other variants. While evidence proves that how Delta variant dominated India during the second wave of COVID-19, there has been a growing concern regarding a recent mutation in the Delta variant, also known as Delta Plus or AY.01. Delta Plus or AY.01 is resistant to monoclonal antibodies cocktail which are currently prescribed as cure. It's well established that the beta variant evades vaccines even much better than the alpha or even the delta variant itself. This is evidenced by the fact that the South African government had returned a consignment of AstraZeneca vaccines claiming that it was ineffective against the variant there. So to all the people who think that corona is over, it's not. It's getting stronger and we have to prepare for what might come. What if I tell you that we can prevent that by just following 3 basic steps?
Yes, we can prevent the third wave, or at least we can delay its arrival and minimize its severity. All we need to do for that is make 3 simple promises today and follow it. So the first promise is, we won't go out of our home until and unless it is an utmost emergency. The second promise is, if we are going out of our home, then we have to make sure we wear a proper N95 mask and wear the mask above our nose. If we don't have an N95 mask, we can use a double mask where the inner mask will be a cotton mask and the outer mask has to be a surgical mask. Remember, we cannot do it the other way around. Now the third and most important promise is, we will get ourselves vaccinated as soon as possible. Even if we cannot get out vaccinated now, we need to be patient because we all will be vaccinated very, very soon, I believe. Now comes one bonus promise for you. That is, if we have got vaccinated, then also we will keep following all the protocols and all the SOPs laid out by government and WHO.
Guys, stay home
Stay safe.
And share this video
as much as you wanted
to go on a trip.